Hey, what are you up to? Right now, I am walking away from one of the facilities I study at. We got some goose around that I think they're mating. They're super angry today. Look how mad this one is. I'm gonna keep my distance. But I wanted to talk about the charts. I wanna help you guys out. Right now, I'm down in my position, about $1,000, 10%. But I'm not worried at all. I wanna show you guys something that I think is super important with Bitcoin, okay? Now, I have this chart set up on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. I want you to see a few things. Number one is the relative strength index. I mentioned this in the past that we have a bearish divergence on the relative strength index, and it continues to grow. So as price action keeps moving up, we have more of a bearish divergence overall. And I think that this is the time where you get ready for your shorts. I understand I went in a little too early, but I'm not going to cut my loss yet until my trade is invalidated. That means that if we get above this trend line on top, that I'm out of the trade completely. But as for right now, I think I'm going to stay in it up until we are confirmed above the trend line. Now, if you guys look, there's some similarities in the past. I'm going to point it out right here. And you can see we had the same type of bearish divergence across multiple days, ascending channel that eventually broke down to the downside. I don't know if you guys are keeping up with the news, but everything is in contagion mode, meaning that everyone's trying to get bailed out last minute. Bitcoin is where people are going for security, which is a good thing, but I still think we need to flush out a lot of the people that are in it. It's over leveraged right now. If you look at the order books, all the longs are overbooked. So that is where I'm at when it comes to the daily. Now let me show you one more thing on the weekly. If it loads. There we go. So we got a death cross on the weekly. Like I said, this is not invalidated until we get a close above the week, okay? We're coming up to test that trend line one more time. I have a feeling this weekend is going to be a massive sell-off. Unless we break above this trend line, I am still bearish, okay? That is my invalidation zone. And I always talk about the hardest part about trading is sitting in your position and committing to your game plan until it's about time to give it up. So if you are trading and you're struggling, this is important. You have to understand that if you have a plan, you stick to it till the end. And that's basically what I'm going to do, because if you don't do that, then what's going to happen is you're going to end up cutting your losses, and then the price action is going to go where you want it to. That's typically the case. So at the end of the day, if you are trading this, you have to be careful. You have to understand this is a super volatile moment in Bitcoin's history. We have a death cross on the weekly. We have daily bearish divergence. There's a lot of mixed signals. So whether you're leaning bullish or bearish, stick to your game plan until it's invalidated, all right? This is my game plan. Yes, I am down. I entered prematurely at 24.8, but I think it's going to go up all the way up to 26.8. I think it can break above the previous high, continue to make that bearish divergence, and then still trend down. So this is where I'm at. If you are agreeing with this, leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if you made it this far into the video, please smash that like button. I really appreciate it, because the more likes we get, the more eyes we get on these videos, and the more likely you and I will become a very profitable community. I want to show you guys one more thing before I go. This is going to be a quick one, but I want to show you the spider. Just a reminder on the S&P 500, which is stocks. Stocks are heavily correlated with Bitcoin, okay? You can't deny that. That is a known fact. Let me get rid of the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is a little too slow. SPX, come on, baby, load. I need to show my viewers some important content. All right. Well, it's not loading. So, you know what? I'm going to end this video with a beautiful sunset. The one thing I wanted to show you guys on the spider is if you look at it on the weekly, you can see that it is also had a bearish death cross in 2008, and that death cross eventually ended up leading to the 2008 recession. Look how beautiful the day is. If you guys aren't enjoying your days and you feel burnt out, remember that it's always good to take a break and get some fresh air. You don't have to look at the charts every day. And if you aren't looking outside, I'm doing it for you right now if you're watching this video. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Good luck trading. Have a good one. Peace.